What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today we're going to be doing a review on a laser level, and we're also going to be announcing the winner of our last review competition. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So the first thing we're going to do is announce the winner of our last review, which was on Milwaukee's M12 handheld chemical sprayer. Awesome little product. All you have to do to enter the competition, same thing with this video, is in the comment section below, just simply put in there what product or item you want to see reviewed next. If that's the next item that gets reviewed, then you win that product. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If multiple people suggest the same thing, we're going to take those names, put them in a bucket, swirl it around, and we'll just pick somebody at random. That's as fair as I can get. Now, with regards to this one here, there were so many good suggestions in our last video, and honestly, I had a really tough time deciding which one, but there was one product that I really needed for a long time and I've just been holding off. And I had a few projects coming up that it's going to be very, very handy. So from the title, you guys have probably figured it out already. It is a laser level. So we're going to go through quickly this little laser level that I've got here, and it's the best one that I could find value for money. Pretty much all round, this one here is going to be the best buy out there. Well, at least it was anyway, and I'll get into that in a second. For today, the person that has suggested laser levels to be reviewed in the Milwaukee one was two people. So we've got Brett and we've got Rumen. Rumen right there, not sure if you guys can see from that far. Rumen right there. And we've got Brett on this side here. So Brett and Rumen, you're both going into an empty bucket here, so there's no cheating going on. Dump them both in the bucket, spin it around, we'll shake it up and down. Alright, and we're just going to randomly pick one. Who have we got here? I'll try to show you guys first, and I'll try to read through the back. So that there is Rumen. All you have to do is just simply get back in contact with me. So I'll put my email address down the bottom, or it's in the actual description as well. So if you just want to email me through, and we'll discuss how we're going to post this out and send it off to you. If you live overseas, don't worry if you win the competition or you win the prize. If I can't post it out to you because it's too expensive, then I'll just simply send you over a gift voucher from your local hardware store to the same value. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's have a quick look at our laser level. So with the laser level, after probably a few hours of research, actually I'll take that back, probably half a day of research. There's so many lasers out there on the market, and I wanted to get something that's going to be able to perform everything that I need for the right price, and it's something that I'm going to be able to use it for a variety of different projects. So I've got a lot of projects coming up. You guys will get to see in a couple of seconds one of the projects that I'm working on now, which was leveling out kitchen cabinets. I've got a lot of wainscoting or paneling to be done in the walls here. We've got some tiling that needs to be done. So this thing here is probably the most versatile little product, and it's going to save me a lot of time and a lot of effort. I've been doing it old school for years, just using a simple level and chalk line and just marking everything out. But this thing here makes life so much easier, so much faster, and I'm glad that I finally got my hands on one. Now, after doing hours and hours of research, there were so many out there to choose from. I wanted to get something with a reputable brand for a good price and something that's going to do everything that I wanted to do. So ideally, I wanted the Milwaukee M12 one, but for the price point, they were $800. So $800 for the equivalent of what I've got here. This one here is on selling for $349, I think it was, or $340, about $350 anyway. But I got this for $199. So over Boxing Day period, I didn't even realize they had a sale on, and it was on sale for $199, and I could not find anything with the same specs as this for anything near that price. So CPI, I've got the rotary laser as well that I use outdoors. So that one is really good for leveling out a lot of landscaping projects that I do. I use that one outdoors, but it's too big and bulky, and the stand has little pins on it, and I can damage stuff, and just a big headache to use indoors. So I needed something indoors, and this one here was honestly the best buy that I could find. Best value for money. Unfortunately for you guys, the pricing has gone up, so keep an eye out there. I bought it from Sydney Tools for $199, and they're now back up to $350. So anyway, let's have a quick look. I've got this one. Here's a brand new one that we're going to be giving away. I'll put this one here on the side. I've got the one that I've been using already. Hopefully the laser's still in there, and I haven't left it inside. Yep, still in there. All right, so it comes in a little carry pouch. This here is called the CPI 3D Mini. and you can see just how small and palm size it is. Absolutely perfect little size there. You wouldn't want anything bigger than this. This is perfect to just put in your hand. You can maybe squeeze it in your pocket if you're lucky. It's IP54 rated, which means it's dust proof, waterproof, and shock proof, believe it or not. I don't know how it's going to go for shock proof. I wouldn't want to test it, to be honest, but it says it is. I'll take their word for it and just hope I never drop it. Okay, it comes with a little clamp here. So we've got our clamp. All right, so this one here, you can do all your little micro adjustments, which is absolutely the smoothest operation I've ever come across. I don't think I have any tools with smooth operation like that. So we've got our micro adjustment there. It simply sits onto the little thread on top here. You can put it on a stand or a tripod if you like. Same thing on the bottom here. And it's also magnetic. So we've got a clip on the back here. You can clip it. You can screw holes into it and put it onto the wall. You've also got a magnetic back here, or back. I was going to say back and base at the same time, but you can see the magnets here on the back. That's probably the only thing that I'd complain about on this, to be honest, is just the magnets here. The magnets are really good for flat surface. It's got plenty of power or magnetic strength to sit where you need it to. However, when I did put it in the video, which you guys will see a little bit later on, onto the corner bead, it does hold on, but it's not as good as I'd like it. I'd like it a bit stronger. But that's the little clamp for it there, and the stand, you can put it on a tripod or just stand it up. I need to buy an extendable pole so I can mount this in the corner. One of the other best things about this is a lot of the other products, even the ones that were like $600, $500, $700 even, they come with either rechargeable batteries, so I mean AA batteries that you have to pull out and charge out, or replacement AA batteries. So why they're still using AA batteries, I hate that. We've got a USB charger, just simply charge it whenever you need to, and it's ready to go. It's got 12 hours of runtime, which is plenty for your day's work. If you do run out, then you can just simply charge it in the car or charge it wherever you are. Nice and simple. It comes with a target plate as well, so in case you're using this outdoors, the target plate will help you see it just that little bit better. I haven't tested it out yet, to be honest, but I don't plan on using this outdoors. I've got my big version that I use for outdoors. This one here has a range of 30 meters. All right, so 30 meters of range. You can turn it onto pulse mode, which means the laser will pulse. That'll give you a bit more distance if you're using a receiver or a detector. Now the receiver and detector can be bought separately. They're not that expensive. I think it's about $120, which is a pretty good price compared to every other brand out there that likes to mark up their prices. But most of the time you can use a receiver from any brand on most lasers. Some of them won't work, but the vast majority do. We've got our glasses in here as well, safety glasses, and our charger as well. So it's a USB charger, which means you just plug it into any other charging charger that you have at home. Now let's have a look at the key stuff that I really wanted out of this. Now we've got a locking pendulum here, so you can lock it in position, which means it'll automatically self-level, okay? And you can also unlock it and you can tilt that manually to get your angles. So if you wanted to get a 45-degree slope and you wanted to lock it in that place, nice and easy, put it on a tripod, tilt it over, get the right angle, and it's going to project a nice line for you. The best thing about this, and something, one of the biggest, it's actually the main feature that I wanted, was 360-degree laser beam. So you can see here it's got a little pop-up bit that pops up on top, pop on the side, and pop on the side. And the reason for that is we've got 2 vertical beams and 1 horizontal. So we've got 1 line that's going to go all the way across and 2 lines that go out the side. So this gives you 360-degree coverage. The laser goes all the way around, which means you don't have to move your laser around when you're working. You can go from one wall to the next by simply having it in one position. So to get something equivalent to this, like I said, Milwaukee was $800, give or take. And this one here, I picked it up for $199. So I'm very, very impressed with this. If I knew they were going to go back up in price that quick, I thought maybe it's a discontinued item or something along the lines of that, and unfortunately I was wrong. So if I knew that, I would have bought a couple more because it's an awesome little product for $199. You honestly can't beat it. Now what I'm going to do is in the comments, in the description below, I'll put some links to a few other ones that I was looking at. I was looking at a DeWalt one and a Bosch one that was pretty good value for money. I think around, one of them was around $200 and another one was around $300 or $350. very good, but I wanted something that's just going to be able to do everything. So if I want just one plane going across and one plane going up and only in that projecting in front of me, then I would have gone for the other two. But I wanted something that I'm going to be using for life and just always have it, and it's going to be the perfect perfect little tool to be able to tackle all my projects. So now that we've got that out of the way, I'll show you guys one of the projects that I was initially starting to work on a couple days ago, and you guys will see a sneak peek of the little kitchen or butler's pantry makeover that we're doing. Alright guys, so the first project here with the laser level, as you can see, we've got everything lined up. This is going to be so I can level out my rail for the base cabinets of the kitchen, so you guys get a little sneak peek of one of the upcoming videos. We're installing an IKEA kitchen, and this thing's going to make my life so much easier. We've got a lot of projects that this is going to come in handy. One of the best things about this is not only is it magnetic, you can see there it's attached to the corner bead. It's not very strong, the magnets on the back, so I'll give you guys a heads up. Because of the way it's shaped on the back and the layout of it, it's better for a flat surface rather than actually just trying to attach to the little corner bead right here. It still does hold. You can attach it to a tripod, but the best thing about this is because we've got the 360 lasers, so it runs all the way around. Not only are we getting our lines all nicely projected on the wall here, and it's actually pretty bright, but you can see it goes all the way around the room. So that gives you 360 degrees coverage, and you don't have to move this around. So in this particular case, we need to install a rail all the way across and around here on this wall as well. So rather than trying to focus on this section, line it all up, move my laser level over again, make sure I haven't moved my adjustments or everything's in the exact same place, trying to realign it back with the other side. I don't have to move it, just can leave it where it is, and this projects all the way around the room. 360 degrees, and this is going to be a lot of fun for all the upcoming projects. Hopefully it should make my life much easier. So that's just a quick look into my first project using the laser level here from CPI. Now, this one here was the best value for money that I could find. Trust me, I did hours of research. At the time, for $199, unbeatable. I'll put some links in the description below. Keep your eyes out in case this one here does go back down in price, because you're going to struggle to find something better. Once again, congratulations to Rumen. Get in contact with me and we'll pass that Milwaukee sprayer out to you as soon as possible. With regards to this one here, now we've obviously got another giveaway. I'm going to try to do this once a month or so, and that's just to simply help you guys, and we'll get some new products in here as much as possible. Try to give you guys something that you want to see from your comments down below. So once again, all you have to do is put in the comment section what you want to see on the next video, and if you've got any questions or concerns about that specific product, put it in the comment section as well. That way we can try and address it when we do our review. This one here is pretty straightforward. There's not too much to talk about, just main features that I was really looking for in the laser level: rechargeable, number of planes, the laser beam distance, runtime, and having the 360. So they were pretty much the main features that I was looking at, and this compact size is absolutely perfect. I wouldn't want anything bigger. Hopefully you guys are all enjoying these videos and you're learning something new. As always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Bill's out too.